Okay, so let's say I want to do a front flip with my air pitch up on my left stick and my air pitch down on my down. I mean, no. Air pitch up. Yeah, air pitch up is up on my left stick. Air pitch down is down on my left stick. So in order to front flip, I'm going to jump while my left stick is up. Then on my second tap on my A button, I'm going to switch it in the down position and then tap it at the same time. So A down tap, A down tap, A down tap. Just extremely fast. And it helps to just flick it when you do it. If, if you get it, doesn't work. Maybe it's more than just the air pitch. What about your air steer? Air steer. Is that reversed or is it the same? My right is right, my left is left on the joystick. Because if that's reversed, it could potentially throw you off depending on which way you hold the stick, really. It's like, yeah, that could throw you off too.